Welcome to this course, where we will teach you the fundamentals of SolidWorks 2013, in an easy and practical way. You will learn how to create from sketches and solids to assemblies and project detailing, learning the main functions of software. To begin with, in this class we will show you an overview of the course organization, the software, its applications and functionalities. Come on, let's go. This course consists of classes, where we explain the concepts and how to use the commands. Practical examples, where we review the content through case studies. And complementary exercises, which are proposed tasks for you to do and improve your learning. SolidWorks is a complete software, enabling the creation of projects in various areas. In the mechanical area, for example, it is possible to create machines and tools and analyze their behavior when efforts are applied. Also simulating the movement of the set, detecting possible interference. In this way, many problems are eliminated in the design phase, reducing rework in manufacturing. For the plastics area, SolidWorks provides specific tools that facilitate the creation and analysis of a part, allowing the insertion of clamping brackets, fittings and ventilation openings, as well as the analysis of the inclination of the faces to meet the requirements of the mold design. Provides a wide variety of tools for surface modeling, facilitating product modeling with complex geometries. Enables the creation of realistic renderings and project animations through PhotoView 360 and Motion Study. Tools enabling modern project presentations to customers. It has specific tools for creating hydraulic and electrical pipelines, automating these areas. Tools for creating plates, structures, welds, mold designs, among others. SolidWorks also facilitates interaction with other software, with tools to import and export files in a convenient and fast way. The design library allows the use of standardized components, which can be inserted automatically, according to the desired standard, facilitating the manufacture of export products. Finally, SolidWorks is a complete 3D software, so it is widely used in the areas of product design and development worldwide. Render Multimedia has several SolidWorks courses, providing all the necessary support so that the student can learn how to use this project tool in a complete, fast and efficient way. Being able to apply in various areas, constituting a differential in the market.